もう消さないんだよ。
そうだよ。
うん。Good morning. It's December 23rd. We're gonna show you how to make somen tsuyu soup. Very simple. Okay. What you need is somen. Okay, we're gonna use this. This is a kind of good one. You can find a little fat ones, but it doesn't taste good.
イボの糸。
Oh yeah, even and okay, the point is making soup. You need katsuobushi? No, katsuobushi じゃなかった。shitake? Maybe 2 or 3. Let's be generous. I usually cut it half. So,
包丁使うね。
yeah, just making soup for just for two, both of us, just 2 people. And the katsuobushi. I don't know if you can find it. If you can find, maybe this will do it.
ちっちゃい。small one。
Yeah, that's okay. So, これを let's be generous. Then you need only sugar. Just a little more.
ブラウンシュガー？
Huh?
ブラウンシュガー？
Yeah, maybe brown sugar is better. Because shoyu.
ソイソース。
Don't make it too salty. I'm gonna cook it for a while, maybe 5 minutes. で、その間に
あ、雪が。雪が。
Oh yeah,
Snow.
snowing. I don't know, you can find this fine negi, green onion in the States. I don't know. You can use it, this fat one, but this should be cooked a little. This is for flavor, right? But you don't need a lot. If you use too much, you're gonna have a bad breath. This is kind of difficult. It's too long. Okay.
はい。
こんなもんかな。
うん。
Keep it aside. Maybe save it.
Wow. 近い。はい。
Maybe a couple minutes. 5 minutes?
今のは何？それは。
It's a soup.
いやいや、 それはお玉って言うけど英語ではイングリッシュでは何？あ、
はい。
グレが来た。グレ来ました。
You need a little more.
あ、ちょっとグレが。
Oh, la, 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 la. Get away.
登場。
A little more taste.
あ、見えないよ。グレ。
そっちには There's another cat.
誰いる？
チビ。
うん。Hey, チビ。こんにちは。
Alright, go.
OK。
Go.
はい。
ここは後でね切らないとね、
うん、
長いちょっと待たなきゃいけない。
そうだね。
うん。OK。
はい。
Then
ここも切らないとわかんない。これは何ですか
？We have to boil somen itself, so just boiling hot water.
その
So anyway, this soup is the key. Shitake and katsuobushi. You have to adjust the taste.
そのケトルが邪魔だな。
Hmm?
そのケトルがちょっと邪魔だな。
これ？
うん。どっかに。
ちょっともうちょっと。
お醤油。ソイソース。それはちょっとわかんないね。
何？
うん？味の感じは。すごいその蓋。何十年。
Very, very old one.
何でも使うわね。もっとか。
もういいかなこれ。Maybe. I think it's a bit quick, but it's okay. Then
すごいねそれ。
we don't need to eat this katsuobushi, so I usually get rid of it.
捨てる。ここの中をちょっと見ようかな。
どこ？
中を。はい。はい。すごい色が出た。
いやいやいや。
うん。大丈夫かな、こんなので映ってるかな。うん。
お、キッチンだ。もうね、さっきから湯がいてるからね。Leave it somewhere. I guess this one bundle is for one person, but it's not enough for us. So we use 3 bundles for 2 people.
Too much.
Much, not too much. Okay, it's boiling. So it's cooks in quite short time. Maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, within 2 minutes.
Ooh.
Sorry.
難しい全然。あずさ偉い。
Just Boil quickly.一度吹き上がったら終わり。
はい。吹き上がる。
これつゆがつかむ。
はい。
そうそうそう。
お。
Yeah. It's done, I think. Alright. Run cold water. Okay, that's good.
置いとく。
No, you don't want to leave it. And I put it in the bowl. One good grub. これぐらいかな。
うん。あったかいそうめんだね。乳麺。
Okay. Okay.
うん。で、
Then in Kagoshima we're gonna use this satsumage or tsukeage we call it. Probably somebody wanted a little bit of
お、
protein. Fish.
お、
Right. And then place this negi on top. Not too much. That's okay. And
味は、できました。
wait. Still hot soup because it's snowing.
うん。
It's cold.
美味しそう。
Okay. That's it.
もう終わり？
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
お日様も出てきました。はい。止めていいでしょうか。
Hi. We're gonna eat. This is our breakfast. Okay. Hi.
はい。バイ。